APLM stock Friday. Where is this thing? Where is APLM mix stock going next? Now, doesn't mean that what I'm about to show you that's what's going to happen on Friday at all. I'm not putting a time frame to my goals. With APLM stock, today, just today, we're down like 1.72 percent or so. APLM, I mean, this is a very not like number one, very big bearish trend. I don't like it. I'm putting on a list right here. It's not like I don't like it. It's just me following the strategy and system that I've tested for the last 3 years, making 13,000 videos, and using that again, something that's just worked thousands of times in the past, accumulating thousands of wins. This is me doing that. So very big, a lot of huge volume being injected to the market today. Okay, the volume is around 63 million. So yeah, the hedge funds are on this thing. My outlook, it doesn't mean that that's what's going to happen on Friday. Do not get me wrong, but I'm genuinely still expecting the price to continue and deliver lower. I'm not putting a time frame to my goal. This might take even a week, but I'm genuinely expecting the price to continue and deliver to the lows, following the strategy and system that I've tested for the last 13,000 videos. If you don't want to go to the trial and error, just learn my strategy for free. You can check out the first link in the description.